doing a squishy haul with like fidgets and stuff. They're not all squishies, but some you may have seen or you may have not seen. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to do like the ones that aren't in like packets. So we're going to do like the fake Nidos and like, yeah. So first we've got this boba. Very nice. Don't know how much it was, but it was a good price. Okay, I'm just going to put that over there. Right, then we have these two little Nidos. They are fake, but like the same texture. So yeah, very nice as well. Then we've got this mini nice ice cube, fake Nido, but you're just paying for a name, honestly. I mean, I want one, but like, you gotta be honest. I like all of them. Right, these are fake glitter dumplings. This is like supposed to be the confetti one, like the pink one. And then this is, I don't even know what this is. Yeah. They're really nice. Then we have this Orby one. We did have a little rainbow one, but it popped. Very cute. I love the colours as well. It's purple and green. And then we've got this axolotl Nido. I got the Layla one on Sunday. But they're really good, so I got one as well. Like yesterday. Paid £20. And then, what other ones? Oh, we've got a Rubik's Cube. They're the new ones, but really cool. Okay. I like it. It's satisfying to just like, move around. Right, then we've got this like rubber thing, but it's really just like nice to like push it and like stretch it. And it's also a key ring. There's a little clip, so you put it on your bag whenever you want. Okay. That one's like really cute. I don't even care if it's not that squishy, but like, come on, it's really good. Then we have, these Nido noodles. Can't do anything except from twist them, stretch them, and squeeze them all together. I mean, it's like, still be grateful that you have them. Like, some people don't even have anything, like, be grateful what you get. I'm not saying anyone that I know is not grateful, but anyways, this is also a key ring. I think it's really satisfying to shake it because like you can hear like the boba balls in there. Really cute as well. My favourite colour is pink as well, as you can tell. Right, then we have, guys, honestly, I don't know if this is going to ever happen, but like, if you got this far in the video, type, well, actually, no, like this video if you think Nido Tabber Squishies would be, like, new trend. Because, like, they're really good. And also, this is, like, we ordered a real Nido, and it came in a Tabber Squishy Nido, so, like, am I the only one that has a Nido Nice Cube Tabber Squishy? I don't know, but guys, this is so cool. It's really stretchy as well. Right, bye-bye. And then, we have this one. Guys, actually, like, if you don't want your Tabber Squishies to, like, not get sticky, but mine's alright. Like, look at my Tabber fidget board. Like, you can see all that dark. That's sucking the moisture out of your squishy Tabber Squishies. Anyway, this is my Tabber Squishy board. Try and pour little cubes. They're cute. They've got some little animals. Now we've got a cake one that I got with my cousin. She got a yellow one. If you've watched all my videos, then you would know a lot of these squishies. 4 I got today, which are new. Okay. Let's start. Oh, we've got the foam ones. Okay, so first we've got these Prime. I did have more, but I gave them away. They're really nice. I got these from when I was on holiday. Like in the machine. Okay, they're cute. Okay, then when I was on the same holiday, I think, just like a different time, we got this bear. Really cute. Then we've got this one. Oh, little bow tie. Then we've got this cool one. Okay. Right. And then we've got these animals. I got on the same holiday. I know they have plastic eyes, but like if you just squeeze the body, then it's really cool. Then we have this dog, pug. They've got this really chubby panda. It's so cute. Then we've got this really really soft monkey. Okay, I think that's the best one. Okay, right, then we've got this fake Nido, but literally they do the same things. So I got this with Layla as well. She has a green one. If you do that, the sequins come really clear. That's cool. I went to school the other day, and it was because my tray was like so warm, like the desk and then like a tray under. It was that warm. Oh my god, it's echoey. It was that warm that it was literally so soft at the end of the day. Okay, right, enough yapping on about stupid stuff. Well, not stupid, but cool. Okay, now we're going to do dumplings. Oh wait, first we're going to do this. It's literally the same, but I just like keep it in the box. Anyways, do dumplings last actually. First we're going to do fidget board that I made the other day. Okay, so I'm just going to show you in POV. Okay, so first we've got, let's go to my paw. Then we've got, and these are put together because in case one of them falls off, which will never happen. But now I've got the keyboard. Then we've got this L shape for Lauren. My friend Isabella gave it to me. Shout out to Izzy. It's really crazy and funny. Then we've got a turtle. Also, they glow in the dark. Even the little turtles, like they're so cute, aren't they? Even the pot glows in the dark. I don't even know what way the lid goes on, but yeah. Now I've got this cube, so you can build it. Okay, so do that, then that. I'm gonna do it a different way. Ooh, that's risky. Oh no, it's fine. Then that goes in. Then that. Then that. that is my ticket box with my tablet. So cool. Okay, now we are going to do the ones that you haven't seen yet. None of you, except for my parents. They're fake ice cubes. Like, they're so cool. We haven't got two, but four. This is like the whole collection, like. Okay, so we're gonna do purple first. Don't mind me. Oh my god. I can just imagine how that sounds on the camera. Oh, it's a little air bubble. Okay. Then we're going to do, what colour is this? It's blue. We do blue. Okay. Oh, so satisfying. Okay. Now we're going to do the clear one. It looks yellow, but trust me, it's white. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It's clear. Okay, now we've got pink and my favorite colour. Ooh. Guys, literally, look at the difference. There's literally nothing. Hang on. Wait. Anyways, they're all the same texture, so don't really see that anymore. Right, now we're gonna do dumplings. Let's do the mini ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 dumplings. Let's do this one. Blue. I already know what colours they are, guys. So cool. Cool. Okay, now I'm going to do this one. White. That's like the main one because look on the packet, it's literally white. The faces are so cute as well. Now we're going to do this one. But it's going to be, I don't know, pink. Yay, I got it right. Okay, just had dinner. Let's get back to dumpling unboxing. Okay, I think we're ready. Right, so we've got 2 more mini ones. I'm going to speed this up. Green. That's cool. I've got the rainbow one. I've got the I've got pink ones. Purple. Guys, as you already know, I know what they are. Pink. My favourite colour. Look at the size and colour difference. Okay, 2 more to open up at the same time. Blue and orange. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And